I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious halal burrito. First, select high-quality halal-certified meat, such as chicken or beef, ensuring it meets Islamic dietary guidelines. Next, marinate your chosen meat with a blend of spices like cumin, chili powder, and paprika for at least 30 minutes to infuse rich flavor. Then, cook the meat until it's perfectly tender and juicy, ready to be the star of your burrito. This foundational step is crucial for an authentic and tasty halal experience. Now, let's talk about the essential fillings that complement your halal meat. Start by preparing a batch of fluffy cilantro lime rice. It adds a bright, zesty flavor that perfectly balances the other ingredients. Next, cook your black beans with aromatic onions, garlic, and a touch of salt until they are tender and well seasoned. Remember, fresh ingredients and proper seasoning are key to building a burrito with layers of incredible taste and texture. With your fillings ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. First, gently warm large flour tortillas. This makes them soft and easy to roll without tearing. Next, layer your cilantro lime rice, seasoned black beans, and flavorful halal meat down the center of each tortilla. Finally, pile on your favorite fresh toppings, such as vibrant salsa, creamy guacamole, and crisp shredded lettuce, for a burst of freshness and texture in every bite. The final step is rolling your burrito perfectly. Fold in the sides of the tortilla, then firmly roll it up from the bottom, creating a neat, compact package. Serve your delicious homemade halal burrito immediately to enjoy it at its freshest and warmest. It's a satisfying meal that's both flavorful and adheres to halal guidelines. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.